Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series. I know the video's a bit late. I just woke up and we got snow on the ground as well. And yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get into it. So I painted Ilulu from Miss Kobayashi Dragon Maid for it. And yeah, we're gonna be doing probably more pinups. If you guys want more pinups, I will print more pinups and paint more pinups. Figure for it as well. This one was from Officer Rue from the Patreon. Uh, but yeah, it came pretty damn good in my opinion. I did a really good job. All this was pretty much mostly airbrushed as well. Um, I just got a lot of comments for the Sisters of Battle video. We could be reading a lot of the comments as well. I have one more set of Tomb Kings to do. That will be the Archers. I'll be done with the Tomb Kings. Then we'll be doing Bertolli's. We'll be doing a lot of the filament printed of some D&D stuff like the Tavern, Temple Ruins and stuff coming up as well. A lot of the shorts are basically like a preview of what the regular speed and normal paints are going to look like later on down the road. Lulu's actual painting video will be out in April. That's how far I scheduled everything up ahead for it. School started. Looks like I won't be going to school today because everyone's freaking out about less than an inch of snow. So everything's closed over here in South Carolina. I don't really understand it, but yeah. Basically, I was stationed in Delaware and Japan, and we had like more than a foot of snow, and everything still ran. It's just weird to have a little bit of dusting of snow, and everything just shuts down. Everyone just freaks out down here. In many ways, I just cannot freaking understand. I'm also, kind of relieved because not a lot of people can drive around and like thin sheets of ice in many ways as well. But I hope everyone having a great week. There's a tie tie. There's a Coco or a tie tie. There's a tie tie. Tie tie, come here, tie tie. You want to be in the video, tie tie? No, come on, tie tie. Come on, come on, baby. Ugh. Tie tie would be in the video with me. A little pain in the butt. And in many ways, yeah, freaking 8 cats and everything else for that as well. But yeah, painting's going good. We got some more resin. We didn't got like 2 more bottles left. We're doing Serious Victoria print right now. I got a Lude Shadow Heart printing already been done printed. Is being cured right now. I have Ellen Joe, Angel Oman, and May and the Sorcerer already printed. They just never been assembled or basically painted yet. So I'm basically trying to spread like once a month, probably do twice a month, see how you guys want. But unless you guys want more pinups, uh, in the link down, the tree link, there is an Amazon wish list. I do need a lot more resin. Resin isn't cheap; it's expensive, um, and usually takes about 3 kilograms or more just to print one figure because I don't print the tiny ones. I print them very big, and also filaments as well for the bases to be printed on for it. Well, anyhow, let's go start reading some of the comments and see what you guys have said. Alright, so we got from Mora Gaman 08535 says heresy for the Sisters of Battle figure speed paint. I said, yep. Madesh had this sister battles wearing some very effective plot armor the Emperor protects, and it's built for speed and comfort to save. Yes, with pasty seals and fucking wearing nothing. I don't think she's even wearing really a pants, it's underwear. A little loin stuff as well. This sister got the Emperor's adjusting on the golden throne. Yes, I wish she could adjust me. Voda says LOL. This is all Sisters of Battle figure as well. Yes, Inquisitor. This video game's right. This video right here. Yeah. From Mad MDM and Dan. Let's see here. Loki Ellis. Cool model and nice paint job. Thank you. Belly Me 7572. The same thing, same video. From I Want One. Macdor No Heresy. Melkador No Heresy. I don't know what Melkador means. There's always going to be heresy with the Imperium, just letting you guys know. Matt Shore, great on the Sisters of Battle so far. Man on the Thin Ice, Ashley's painting the anime. Yeah, I guess. I guess. Um, but yeah. Well, Wisdom says the Emperor protects for the Sisters of Battle video. Yes, we paint. What paint did you use for skin tone for Sister of Battle? Okay, I use a Pro acrylic tanned flesh. You put that. Make it purple and blue for the highlights. Then you use tan flesh. Then you want to white up some of the tan flesh for the highlights with the airbrush. Okay, I use Pro acrylic majority of the time. I think that's one of the best pigmented paint that's out there. Citadel's great too, but I don't like the pots. I like the little, squeezy bottles, especially when I have to use the airbrush for it. Uh, awesome, the sister battle. See, Mayo Z2P. Awesome, the sister battle model is really cool. Thank you. Nice. If you want to get the sister battle, they're from Digital Dark Pinup on the Patreon. They do a lot of throwbacks on a lot of their stuff. So you might be lucky to get one, or you can get one for things like 10, $12 for the file for it as well. See, Michael Dewey Jackson 25 says nice on that video. Jan 2025 Patreon STL Part 4. Appreciate you checking out my stuff of Gaz Minis. You're welcome. If you want me to do more of your promotion, give me some free files and I will paint the shit out of it. Gaz Minis. Oscar Gonzalez 7491. Awesome detail. Thank you, Oscar. Hobby Link and Turtle. Just started testing mine. It's also in the garage and having failed prints after failed prints. I noticed that with the heated vat too that it keeps losing heat. I ordered last night the any cubic heater that I have my MS5S Pro and MS5 Pro. I hope that is the fix. That's for the 7 Max 7 M7 Max Pro. Okay, I have a actual like a parabolic heater in the garage. I set the temperature on that like 70 degrees. Basically, if it goes above 70, the heater will turn off, but it will heat up the whole room of the garage. My garage is pretty big. It's about 6 to 700 square foot, and it's about 18 foot tall ceiling. 18 foot from the ground to the ceiling, it's 18 foot. So it takes a lot of heat, energy just to heat the whole room. So that's what I do. I get a parabolic heater, heat up the whole room to heat up my resin for it. Anyone probably depending what kind of resin you're using. Because I'm using Sunlu. You may want to double the bottom what you call it, the bottom curing stage of the print. It will help out a lot. But other than that, that's what worked for me so far. Once I first started, I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know why the heat was going down. So I just realized that once it heats up, it won't heat up while it's still printing. So I thought that was kind of stupid. So I had to get an actual heater. My M3 Max don't need to deal with that. You can just print whenever it wants on my Anycubic. I don't know why this one has some kind of a design flaw with just a heating unit instead. I don't know if it's the filament or the curing problem. I don't know, but my M3 Max don't really need the heating or anything else. It'll just print right away for me. So yeah, that is something I've been dealing with so far. But right now it prints really great. I have a space heater going. It definitely need new garage doors. Craft Dozy. That's Had an issue with other two printers, tossed to any cubic heater, and everything was finally good. So hopefully we have a new heater. We'll do the same for the Max. Yeah, if your drawer is, that, you should get some insulation foam and just put it around the cracks. But yeah, that's how it's not trial and error for everyone. Still, Marshall heat on the Tomb King chariots that's been done. Oscar says nice on the STL Part 4. Bit Lucky 1587 said let's go on the first block of the ear. Balth Den Broth says BL on the Necroloft Dragon. And let's see here. Joris Bolin looks awesome. Crazy skill you have. Thank you. Thank you. I don't think I have crazy skills, but I have okay skills. I'm trying to see if there's anything noticeable on it. Let's see here. Jit's Myth Theory, Jit 415. Wonder how many old guys will end up having this turn on them. Be ashamed to die to your own hammer cane. Nah, nah. I'm actually gonna build a hammer cane 2.0, so stay tuned for that. I think that is it. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.